Hey guys, Max Jeffrey here. Welcome to another unboxing video. So today, two packages have come. They were yesterday. I think it was today or yesterday. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Just need to find an opening. Okay, let's see. And it's this one is. I got is Rubbadubbers Bath Time Scramble, and I couldn't find it in CEX because for some reason my mum had to order it me online. So, well, yeah, I'm looking forward to watching this. This is my second Rubbadubbers DVD I got. First one being Splish Splash Splosh. Let's see. Let's see what this one is. And there's a little note inside. Is this special? Thank you for choosing CX. This one might be an exciting one or something. Sorry about that guys, I had to cut the camera. So yeah, here's the DVD I got, the second one, which is Neon Genesis Evangelion Director's Cut Genesis Reborn. And yeah, it's from the spine and the back. This contains the episode 24 to 26. I haven't got all the other thingies, but yeah, this is the second volume. I will get Resurrection soon, because yeah. And here's the disc. Now, there was originally a leaflet in here showing all the characters, so oh yeah. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.